The Meghalaya government has dismissed calls for an inquiry into allegations against the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya following the arrest of its Chancellor Mehboob Haque by Assam police. Haque was arrested on charges of facilitating unfair practices in the Class 12 examinations. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma clarified that the state has not received any complaints about the university's activities and therefore no inquiry would be conducted.
Arrest is nothing to do with the USTM. It's been appeared in the news. It's been for some other reasons, some other issues within Assam. So I don't have any comments and any detail on all the subjects. Since we are yet to receive any complaint from anybody officially in written, have it been so? Could have been a different story as of now, since there is no any official communication from anybody. So that question doesn't arise as of now. I don't have any comments in all this, but that is I don't know what's the subject grammar. What's the grammar on this? So I also don't know. Right? Without reading the proper grammar, I want to able to comment on this. I need to convince myself the proper grammar of the subject.